So yes, this change here is from a vending route, maybe 5 to 7 places. As you see, it is pretty full all the way to the tip top. The question is, folks, how many are there in here? Let's find out on this episode of Let's Count These Coins.
Bruh.
Let's count. What up, y'all? This is the man I am on location, getting her done, making sure that my customers and my people that I patronize to are happy and satisfied with nice, fresh snacks. This here will take me every bit about 10 minutes. Each one of the locations that I do service take as long as about 10 or 15 minutes unless there might be something wrong with the machine. This is one of my machines at my more popular locations. Stay tuned to see how much money we make from these vending machines, folks. Let's go, y'all. This shit, la 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 la. Yeah, that's big, y'all. Fam, real nosy because he feel like he got the juice. He could count this with his eyes closed. I've been trying to tell him, Bean, mind your business, but he is just persistent on hanging around when there's money being counted. I guess he's counting up cat food, and he doing all his checks and balances on litter and Lord knows what.
2,000 years later.
Dirty hands. Yes, dirty, dirty, dirty hands. You know, this is what I get. It's a dirty world, but it still spins. Dirty, dirty, dirty money. Dirty hands, dirty money. Dirty hands, dirty money. Dirty job. Now it's time to count. On your march, get set, take it slow. to 300. Clap it up, the man I am. 300. $300, but I ain't got 300 subscribers. Come on, y'all. Y'all subscribe to me, man. Put the money in the jar. And if you put the followers in the jar, I could go far. So y'all, come on, man. Subscribe. Look, it's a dirty job. Help me. Help me, please. $239.25.
Took you 50 minutes.
50 minutes. I've been up in it doing this. Hey, y'all, look. Y'all see how much hard work it took you into this. Look, you see the hands. The hands tell the truth. This is no lie. So, through all this counting, look, the hard work and the dedication is definitely on deck. So, look, if y'all like this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.